Augmented reality and virtual reality, AR and VR, are redefining what's possible in adult learning. They transform lessons into immersive, interactive experiences that spark engagement and deepen understanding. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, like labels on machinery or pop up instructions in a workshop. VR creates full digital environments like a virtual office, lab, or classroom where learners can explore, practice, and simulate. So, how do AR and VR create value for adult learners? First, they make abstract concepts tangible. You can see a 3D model of the human heart or walk through a factory floor without ever leaving your seat. Second, they offer safe spaces to practice. Whether it's managing a crisis, performing surgery, or handling customer objections, VR gives learners room to try, fail, and learn. Third, they enhance memory and engagement. Immersive environments tap into emotion and attention, which boosts retention and recall. AR and VR are especially useful in healthcare, technical training, engineering, safety and compliance, soft skills, and leadership. So, how can you start using them? You don't need a big budget to begin. AR apps on mobile devices can bring content to life. 360-degree video offers VR-style immersion without a headset. Platforms like Google Expeditions, MetaQuest, or tools like CoSpaces, zSpace, and ClassVR make it easier than ever. When designing AR/VR content, keep it focused. What's the experience teaching? What should the learner be able to do or understand as a result? Also provide scaffolding. Even in immersive environments, learners need guidance. Add prompts, instructions, or checklists to support navigation and reflection. And always connect it back to the real world. Ask, how will this virtual experience change what learners do tomorrow? Like any tool, AR and VR are most powerful when used with intention. They're not about flashy tech, they're about learning that sticks. Because when adult learners can explore, test, and experience for themselves, they don't just absorb knowledge. They embody it. And that's the future of experiential learning.